Hey everyone, Mike here from the BFH Garage. I'm coming back at you from yesterday. I tell you what, with these junkyards, it's feast or famine. Yesterday, I went and picked a bunch of parts off of that old CJ. Today, I'm going to the Denver LKQ to check out a 2002 TJ. Now, this is the same LKQ that I went to where they parked it on the furthest spot in the yard, and I had to drag that axle out of there. That was not a fun day. I thought I was gonna die. But anyway, today we're going after that 2002 TJ. I pulled the VIN on it. I don't have a lot of hope on this one as it's coming from Detroit. So we'll see what the rust looks like on stuff. But when you look at the Jeep, it is in excellent shape as far as not being in a wreck or anything else like that. It's got full hard doors, hard top. Everything else looks to be in great shape. Running the VIN number, there's no dent of 44. It has a manual transmission, but I'm gonna get there, take a look, and determine what's worth pulling. And if it's worth grabbing, I'm gonna grab it. So come along for the ride. Let's go see what we get. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. The doors are still here. The hardtop's still there. It looks like somebody tried to remove it. And in the pictures, the back glass was there. Now it's not. So I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna keep taking a look around, see what else we have. So oddly, in the back, there was an additional door. So there's 3 doors here. 2 of them need recondition. Only one of them has that inside panel. The other ones don't. And when you look at the handles, all rusty, but look what else was inside. A complete rebuild kit for the handles and the interior door lock. So that's gonna be a pretty cool find. Those rat bastards did it again here. They don't have any pull carts. Everything's a wheelbarrow. Farthest side of the damn yard. 2 doors, a grill, a hood, my tools, everything loaded up, and I have to drag it a damn quarter of a mile to get back in 88-degree temperatures. This sucks getting old, but with that being said, 2 doors, a grill, and a hood. Got a lot of little goodies too. So the lady at the counter is pretty understanding, pretty nice. She gave me a pretty good cut on that, so I can't argue too much for what I got. 200 bucks for everything, and I will sell everything except for the hood. I need one for mine since I put it into that wall in Sand Hollow. And yeah, just having fun. I love this shit, but I don't know why I still do it, but I do. Here I am.